right over left, right over left.
In Electronics and Information Technology, India. Your Excellency, Co-Chair and AEM colleagues, the timing of our meeting could not be more significant. The global trade landscape is shifting rapidly, presenting us with both opportunities and challenges. And in the midst of this strategic rebalancing, closer economic integration between ASEAN and India can serve as a stable anchor of growth and a vital source of resilience amid global uncertainties. Indeed, we face common challenges, from safeguarding supply chain resilience and food security to navigating technological disruptions. By working together, we can transform these challenges into shared opportunities for sustainable and inclusive growth. I'm pleased to note that ASEAN-India trade and investment ties have grown from strength to strength, and a key pillar of our economic relations has been the ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement, which we signed in 2009 and brought into force in 2010. This agreement laid the foundation for a significant growth in trade that we have witnessed. However, a decade on, the world has changed, and so must our agreement. The ongoing review of ITIGA is a strategic opportunity to modernize and upgrade our economic partnership from the realities of today and tomorrow. We recall that our leaders have mandated us to expedite the review of ITIGA to be substantially concluded in 2025. In line with that target, ASEAN sees the review exercise as a chance to incorporate lessons learned over the past 13 years and to upgrade our agreement with provisions that address current trade practices. It also means aligning the ITIGA with initiatives such as the ASEAN economic integration efforts and India's Act East policy, so that our trade agreement complements broader regional supply chain connectivity. I look forward to our discourse on the ITIGA review progress today. And as we deliberate today, let us keep in mind the broader strategic imperative of a stronger ASEAN-India economic partnership that contributes not only to our prosperity, but also to regional stability and development. A closer integration between us sends a message to the world that our region believes in openness, fairness, and mutual benefit in trade. I look forward to productive discussions that will bring us closer to our shared goals as friends, as partners, towards a more prosperous future for all our nations.
And the Indo-Pacific vision, the synergy between ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific and the Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative augurs well for the region. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has attended 11 ASEAN-India summits so far. At the last ASEAN-India summit last year in Venetian, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi said, and I quote, "The 21st century is the Asian century, a century for India and ASEAN countries," unquote. Together, we can make that a reality. India and ASEAN share civilized bonds. Our partnership is thriving on strong people-to-people linkages. The priority India attaches to ASEAN-led mechanisms is reflected as increasingly practical cooperation across political security, economic and social cultural domains. With the support of our ASEAN partners, we have achieved 100% implementation of the ASEAN-India Plan of Action 2021 to 25. Based on the direction from leaders at the previous ASEAN-India Summit, a new ASEAN-India Plan of Action 2026 to 2030 was adopted to advance our cooperation further. Excellencies, ASEAN and India are neighbors, partners in the global south, and both represent rapidly growing regions of the world. Our aspiration is to achieve a bright future for our more than 2 billion people. India's vision of a Viksit Bharat, or a developed India, by the centenary of its independence of 2047, and the recently adopted ASEAN Community Vision 2045 is a reflection of the same spirit. On the trade front, India remains seriously concerned with the limited progress in the review of the ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement. Despite our consistent follow-ups, I will take this up in greater detail when the agenda item is discussed.